This weird and wonderful device is the Divoom Ditoo. In their own words, it's a retro pixel art portable speaker, and in my words, it's just cool as fuck. Everything about this product oozes cool, from its weird retro futuristic fridge style packaging, to the fact that it has real mechanical key switches, with RGB of course, on what is effectively a Bluetooth speaker. It doesn't make any sense. Maybe it shouldn't exist, but I know you want one, and I did too. It was truly love at first sight. There's a lot of reviews on the Ditoo already. Everyone and their mums already had a look at this thing. So I decided I'm not going to review it. Instead, I'm going to give you 35 things you can do with it. So when you decide to buy one, no one can tell you that was a bad decision. But before we get into the list, here's a few things that really caught my attention with the Ditoo. I already mentioned it, but the packaging is fantastic. I especially love the rubbery handle on the box. It's just so incredibly unnecessary, and that's probably the reason it's so cool. Secondly, the build quality is superb. It's reassuringly weighty and beautifully finished. The screen is bright and eye-catching with a gorgeous convex glossy finish, and let's face it, the screen is the reason everyone's interested. What surprised me though is that it's actually a very capable Bluetooth speaker. Sure, you can probably get better sounding speakers for the money. Man, it goes super loud, and there's a richness to the bass and a crisp treble that I just did not expect at all. Alright, the reason you're all here. What can I do with it? How can I justify this frivolous purchase to my parents, significant other, or starving pets? Let me tell you. Voice memo.
I don't really understand the point of this.
Loud noises! So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed something a bit different. Hit subscribe so you don't miss future projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.